I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video, we'll further explore second difference and axis of symmetry to understand quadratic equations. The question here is, write the quadratic equation with constant second difference of 4, axis of symmetry as x equals to 2, and a point 1 minus 3 on its graph. So we are given three things here. First one is the second difference. So second difference is constant. That means what? That means it is a quadratic equation, right? So second difference is constant, it is equals to 4. So that means it is a quadratic equation. That is one thing which you understand. Constant second difference, right? So quadratic equation. 1. Second, since it is positive, so that means parabola will open in which direction? Opens upwards. Upwards, right? And third thing, which is most important, which I want to share with you, is whenever we write a quadratic function, let us say if I have to write a quadratic function in the form y equals to a times x minus h whole square plus k, then a could be related with the second difference. A in general is equals to second difference. Let me write here second difference as 2 here. Second difference divided by 2. So A is half of second difference. So in this particular case, since the second difference is 4, we can say A is half of 4, which is 2. Right? So that is, so much of information is contained in second difference itself. So the idea of this video is that you should understand what all you can conclude from the given statement, that is, when with constant second difference of 4. Constant second difference means the quadratic equation, plus means parabola opens upwards, and 4 means that this value of a, the leading coefficient as we call it, is 2, right? So the leading coefficient is 2. So a is leading coefficients, that is okay. Let's move forward and understand other things. Axis of symmetry is 2. So we are given axis of symmetry is x equals to 2, right? So let me sketch one so that we really get a good hang of what we're talking about. So let us say this is the axis of symmetry, right? And now we know the leading coefficient is positive. That means the parabola is going to open upwards, right? So we can make a parabola which opens upwards, let's say like this. So that's the parabola which is opening upwards. Vertex will be on the axis of symmetry, right? So in this particular case, the vertex is at x equals to 2. So that is the line x equals to 2. Let me push this page a bit forward. So this is x equals to 2. Now what we are given here is that axis of symmetry is x equals to 2 and a point 1 minus 3 on its graph. 1 minus 3. So 1 is 1 unit on left of 2, right? So 1 is 1 unit. So let us say this point is 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is a y value. So that is what is given to us. Now from this information, we need to find quadratic equation, right? I hope things are very clear to you now. So you can actually at this stage pause the video and find the solution, right? Let us see how to move forward. Since we know the point 1 minus 3, which is 1 unit away, this point is 1 unit away, right? 1 to the left. And we know stretch factor is 2. That means if I have to go up from here to this point, I have to move 2 units up. That is what it means, right? I hope you remember the step function. Whenever you want to sketch a parabola, the steps are a times 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Since a is 2 for us, the steps will be 2 times 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So that means the first step is 2 times 1, 2, right? and 2 plus means going up. So if you move either side, you could move on the right side also. In that case also, to reach the y value will be 2 steps up, right? They are symmetric. Do you see that? So if I know that the y value is minus 3, then what is the value of my vertex? Minimum for this parabola should be how much? It should be, of course, x value is 2. The y value is 2 less than, because the step is 2. 2 less than minus 3, which is minus 5. You get the idea, right? So from here, what we get really is vertex. So the vertex for us is 2 minus 5. I hope you appreciate it, right? So that is the beauty of this. Once we know the vertex, right, we can actually write the equation. We know the vertex, we know A. So now the equation is y equals to A is 2 for us, that is A, and x h value is also 2 for us, minus 2 whole square plus k is minus 5, correct? So that is the answer. So y equals to 2 times x minus 2 whole square minus 5 is the equation of the parabola, or the quadratic equation which represents the given situation. I hope that is absolutely clear. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot. Thank you and all the best.